and today we're going to make another flipbook with the animation flipbook kit. So today I thought maybe I could make like a thunder cloud that it's kind of dark outside, so yeah. I'd like to say maybe I could make like a thunder cloud or like a some people call it like a cumulonimbus, but in this flipbook it's not going to look like a cumulonimbus. I'm going to put it in so there's going to be a thunder cloud and a lightning bolt. So it's going to take these two colors, gray and yellow. And I'm going to be using a mechanical pencil. So first I'm just going to draw like some sketchy stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so today I'm just going to make kind of like a template, I think. So now it's just going to start with the cloud just going, but I'm not going to draw on the lightning bolts because that's just part of a template. So now I'm just going to keep drawing the cloud. It just comes from one side of the page and it goes kind of like in the middle. It's not going to go, maybe not too much in the middle, but like a little bit maybe, but like I'm going to color this flipbook in when I'm done though, so just like a couple more pages. Let's just let's see if it's going right. So now the lightning bolt is coming. I'm just using that template for the lightning bolt to come in. And now I'm doing this thing where I draw the same page a million times, or maybe not a million, but that would be like too many times. So I'm just gonna have that where I'm just gonna have so I'm just gonna say it's just the cloud now and just a little bit of that thing and stuff right there. So, and also I'm coloring it in. Now, what I was doing before was the thing where I was going to where I was drawing a bunch of pictures the same, and then I was putting them for some way. Well, what I meant by some way is where I put the drawings in one way. There's this. So first I just put a bunch of drawings, and then some of them are the same. It just goes one drawing the same, and then I put the other drawing that's not the same, and then I just put it in a pattern or something. Do you know what I'm talking about? If you don't, then just look in the subscription or comment down below, and I'll try to answer that question. It's just hard for me to explain it. Now I color the lightning bolt yellow and the cloud kind of like a grayish. Also, I'm kind of using colored pencil also. And then the lightning bolt is I'm coloring it. I think I'm doing it backwards, I think. Okay, it's just a few more pages. Okay, so I finished the flipbook, and this is how it came out. That's a really cool flipbook. If you'd like me to make more flipbooks and stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!